Working in Ireland in 2026. This guide breaks down every step of the work permit process. To start, you must have a valid job offer from an Irish employer and meet minimum salary thresholds. Gather essential documents: a valid passport, signed job offer, proof of qualifications, and employer details. Begin your application online using the official Department of Enterprise, Trade and Employment portal. Fill in personal details, job description, and employer information accurately on the online application form. Upload clear, legible scans of all required documents. Double-check for completeness before submitting. Pay the application fee online. Save your payment receipt for your records; it's required for the process. You will receive a confirmation email after submitting your application. Track your progress using the provided reference number. Standard processing times range from 6 to 12 weeks. Mark your calendar and follow up if it takes longer. Avoid common mistakes: incomplete forms, missing documents, or incorrect job details often lead to delays or rejections. For IT professionals, include proof of specialized skills and recent certifications to strengthen your application. Healthcare applicants should prepare valid medical licenses, registration proof, and reference letters from past employers. Engineers need certified transcripts, proof of experience, and a portfolio demonstrating relevant projects and technical achievements. Before submitting, carefully review every detail of your application and double-check that nothing is missing or inconsistent. Your Irish career adventure awaits. Follow this guide to boost your chances of approval and start your journey with confidence.